Hey everybody, welcome back. I thought I would do a little craft with you for this organizational car stuff. I looked online for the eyeglass thing, and every time I go purchase the pink one, it's out of stock. So I'm like, well, I have the red one in my car already. Why don't I just pink it out? So I have these little gems I got at the dollar store. At my Family Dollar, they're only $1. But you can get them at Dollar Tree, but they're the longer version. So I thought it would be fun to bedazzle this, I guess. I'm not quite sure how it'll come out, but we're going to try to make it cute. Now I've got pink, and I thought because it's red that it might stand out a little bit, which, I don't know, we'll see. Now these come in strips, so you can do the strip. So I'm going to take this first strip off. Make sure you like and subscribe below. And share the video. I do have a little giveaway going on right now on this channel for 200 subscribers, and it's more, I think the next one I'll do for 300 will be a crafty one, but this one is more of a beauty thing. So we did the around there, and it's not going to be too bad, I don't think. So take another piece that's already cut and kind of add it to this part. We will have to snip, I think, this little piece right here so I can open it. Let's see. Let's use my X-Acto knife. There we go. So now I can bedazzle that. I don't think I could get one more right here, but maybe. Let's do the next one, and we'll just keep going around the top. Let's try to put it close together. As close together as I can. And these will move pretty good until they really take hold. So cute. I think I got the red one because there wasn't a pink one at the time. And I think I have a black one in the Hummer. Now the black one in the Hummer, I'll probably use these ones because the Hummer can't be pink because hubby drives that, and he is not gonna drive around in pink bedazzled stuff, you know. It'd be cute. I mean, the license plate on the back of my truck says, well, I call it my truck, my Hummer, is Silly Boys Trucks Are for Girls around the license plate. And it's starting to get really used. So I don't know if I'll probably replace it. I like what it says though, it's so fun. So I think this one there. So you're still going to see the red underneath it, but I think it's going to bring out the pink. I don't know. I guess we'll see. We'll see what happens. And before I take it off, I just kind of see where I need to cut it to take it off. While I put it back on. And it's kind of like an oval shape, so it's shaped funny. So almost done with the top piece. Didn't take long, huh? I think I'm gonna have to take that one off. And shorter one in between. But there's the front. Now you can do the top piece. And this is really hard to do with nails on. So now you can see those. You can push them back. See how they kind of stick up a little bit? You can push them back so they don't stick up. And I'm going to do another row right here. Let's see. We'll take 2 of them. And put it on the side here. I took 2 and put it right there. And I think you can get these, I don't even know where I got them. I don't know if Dollar Tree sells them, or you can find them places, and they come in different colors. I really wish this one was like white. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this next one. That's so cute. I could probably put one. I don't know if it'll interfere with that. I don't know. Do 2. Take 2. And with these sit in the car in the summertime, these will probably might melt off. I don't know. We'll have to see. Either that, it'll stick really a lot better. I don't know. Let's see. I'll put 2 right there. And 2. I don't know if that'll work. Yeah. Right there. I put 2 there and 2 here, so now I can just do a line right there. I mean, it's still going to show some red through here, through this, but at least it'll be a little bit colorful, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take this one and put it there. And I am going to do the underneath side. Well, actually, I don't have to do the underneath side because this slides up on the visor, so you don't see it. You don't see the underneath. 2. It's almost done. All right. I didn't even think about doing it that way. Maybe that'll work better. Do it. Down. I got one right here. Put one right there. And probably put one there. Let's see how that looks. Because it's a spot that has red there. I think it looks cutie. You can't really put anything right here because of the mechanism. Well, you might be able to. We can try. Let's try. Looks like it'll be a 4 spot. Look at that. Okay, so here's the top. I just put one right there so you can press down on it to make it pop up. There's this side, the front, and we gotta do this side. Let's finish this side. This is a fun little project. If you have, like, my daughter is preteen. I mean, she'll be 13 in October. And for her sunglasses, if she wants to put them, because she always sits on the passenger side, get another one of these and let her pick out a color and let her bedazzle her own. I call it bedazzle, but it's not bedazzle. Let's see, I think this is big enough. Let's see. She doesn't feel good today. Allergy season is among us. I let her go back to school, and it never fails. In the fall, when she goes back to school, she always gets sick. It just never fails. Now, I let her go back to school, and they're wearing masks and stuff, and she still ended up sick. So, I don't think she's sick. She might have a cold, but I think it's allergies. When she gets allergies, they're bad. Okay, look at that little project. See, there's that. There's that. That side. I did put some there, so I don't know if I can put another one right here. Let's try. Let's try. Move that up. There. Try to cover as much as the red as you can. There we go. I think it's done. There's still some red right here, but if I lift that up, I think that it's not enough room for it to have another one. But there we go. I bedazzled it. Isn't that cute? And it still shows some red, but it's pink. So there we go, guys. If you want to do that, have fun. And send a link down below so I can go see. And we will see y'all again later. Bye now.